Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Dell Inspiron 15 laptop with model number P112FM02. It's on. The problem is that the hinges are broken. No problem, let's fix it. First of all, remove all the screws from the back panel. Open the back panel with the help of an opener. Disconnect the battery. Unscrew the hinges. Disconnect the display connector. Disconnect the Wi-Fi card. Separate the housing from the display. Open the bezel using an opener. You can see that the screws are broken along with the hinges. Anti-static display adhesive strips will peel off the tape. You can take it out on the other side as well. We will remove the display with the help of an opener. Disconnect the display connector. Remove the display wire and camera. Unscrew the hinges. Remove the network wire. Remove the other side. So we will change this. So we are going to install a silver color panel in it. Because we didn't get the same color, So first of all, install the network wire. I will also put the wire on the other side. The camera and display wires will also be connected carefully. Connect the display, apply tape to stick the display, the display will stick. Install the hinge and screw it. We'll put the bezel on. We will also install hinge covers. Attach the display to the housing. Connect the display connector. Screw the hinges. Connect the Wi-Fi connector. Connect the battery. Put the back panel. Tighten all the screws on the back panel. Let's check it. You can see it is on. Now its hinge is working fine. That's all for today's video. See you for the next video. Till then, goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe. It inspires me to make new videos in the future. Thank you.